let's go ahead and start setting them up. Have you guys set up portal monitors before?
I have not.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and jump in and we'll help you walk through.
Pretty straightforward.
Okay, that's the first place. Lay that flat on the floor.
All right, let's go. Oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Let's move it like that.
I like to say this is not to send like
Okay,
that.
so what you're going to do is you're going to find the numbers that correspond to those, put them in with the grid systems on the inside.
R2, and then that goes to R1. Yep.
R1 and a red R1.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
R1 to R1. I'm going to do something. This one's easier. I'm doing this just because I think it's written down on it. Well, let's get this one.
R2. Oh, okay, all right.
And then it's got clips on the bottom that you need to make sure you lock in place.
Around the screen.
It's completely off.
Come on.
The color's changed.
All right.
So you got green now?
You got it.
One side's green and one side's red?
And one side is,
Right.
Okay.
Slides right in. Matches.
Green R2.
that doesn't look good.
There you go. Green to green. And I'll give you guys a pointer for the top. Put these on. I do have to install the one on the very top. Build it here.
We usually get our tallest
And then put them up together?
We get our tallest person to do it.
I can do it. So now we want,
You want
Okay, so you got to be a little taller to put the top one on, or you got to tilt the portal monitor on the down on the side, or a step stool.
Okay, this is not it. R3, L3, like that.
got it? Oh.
Any green?
I like this better
Green on
than
this
the
side? Okay.
This is the only first
thermal
person.
ones in that I don't have to connect the cables. There we go. Then the box.
Okay, before you put the box
Goes
on,
over here.
we're going to go ahead and twist it around because we're going to power it
Okay.
by AC power.
So we have to
Since the box
rotate
is on
this and
side,
the AC
we'll have
thing's
it
on that
closer
side.
to the AC.
All right.
And it also helps you if you look at the direction that you're going to be walking through. So how do you know which direction you're walking through? Because it has the one.
I want to see that.
Well, this is left, so make sure it's on the left. This is right, so make sure it's
Oh,
on the
okay.
right when you walk through
I
it.
gotcha. That makes sense.
There you go.
Does it really doesn't matter which? Does it matter?
You
Well,
always
green,
always
green.
walk through with the, the direction that you're in.
This particular, every portal monitor is different.
This one has a peg here, it goes in there.
Now, I would
and there's
recommend
a
before you put that
electrical
on,
connector there.
Cable, it is right there.
There we go.
Here, it's got a little collar on it.
Twist down.
All right.
Like
And
it's
then
no
there's
wax.
a
Should
sugar
be at least tightened
extension,
down.
a power cord in there,
Yep.
hooks into the bottom.
Done? Okay.
And then you see where the on-off switch is when you need to turn it on. But straight
Mm-hmm.
connect up.
And
Goes on the
extension
edge over
cord
here.
or-
Yeah, there's a little, this little thing is just gonna help you line it up, slides on, and that's just so you know that you have a good straight on there, and then it attaches just like.
Two people for just put that up.
It looks like there's a little, take it out a little bit there, give it a little.
Okay,
There you go, that's
find
it.
your check source.
Yep.
In here somewhere.
And then you can plug the extension cord in.
Okay, so it's doing background.
Yep.
Background count.
Should be far away from that.
Probably didn't need the extension cord, did I?
Won't hurt.
Do you have portal monitors in your jurisdiction?
Yeah, we use the TPM
The thermo.
903A.
Yeah. How about you?
Can't remember the numbers.
What's it look like?
It's the big white ones.
TPM
Yeah.
903 A or B is
I think it's
one of the
B.
two.
Yeah, if your jurisdiction
Ours
is
is
buying,
old.
if your jurisdiction is buying more,
This is not
DHS Sabre did a program about 10 years ago where they evaluated portal monitors. They evaluated the Ludlam
Very loud.
and the Thermo and the Johnson and one other one. And it's a
got some new gray hair.
What?
Sure.
Well, not only can you screen people from contamination, you can
The light
test
is
their
green.
hearing.
That's true. And do you hear this?
We're going to walk through. Wait.
This is just like the source check you do on the next one. 1.5 feet, middle, 5.5 feet.
That's what I was going to do, but I was
You
going
don't have to
to
walk through this. All you're gonna do is hold it in the
Oh,
middle.
I'm used to the one. See, ours has a eye on it.
This one does too, but what we're gonna do is
But it's
we're gonna hold the source there, and then you're just gonna trigger the eye with the other hand.
Then you can check
That's
the
the,
quadrants
Downstairs.
that's the rep 21
That's an
standard.
eye here. So
Is
that's
that
very
a
positive.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're gonna check this one, and let me say this before I do that. You'll notice that one side is red, one side
Okay,
is
so
green.
now the middle.
Green for go, because it will match up to your little.
Nope.
So if you walk it this way, it's gonna read.
Yeah, well, I didn't
But
have
you're
it at,
backwards. So left top is actually right top. So if you walk through this direction, then you know that when you see left top, it's actually
Leg in the middle.
lower bottom. But to check
There
the
we
quadrant, you take
Yeah,
the
there's
check
maybe
source,
like
put it near it, and it should show
Let's
that
try it in.
left top.
And then
Do
5.5.
that for all four.
So you do top.
Yeah.
Top, then you'll do that one,
Right here.
this one, this, and that just lets you know that all four quadrants are working.
Okay.
There's also a center line, and it's marked, we've marked ours, so it's right there.
Uh-huh.
And then you'll see a black
Nope.
line there.
So you know kind
there.
of where to hold the.
Yeah, and what you're
Source.
hoping for, I've actually had pretty good luck so far today. Sort of in the
Okay, so-
middle, about that height,
This is essentially your
break
source
the
check.
beam. I may not have done it, I think I did it.
Look at you without even stepping
And
in.
now is when you want to start doing all the.
Now you got it.
So that strong, so
Make sure
top,
I
so
don't
it
see it
should,
off source.
if it's right in the middle, it should read both.
You gotta have your zero.
So, but I'm gonna tell you, finding right in the middle is, if you're off this much.
Then it won't.
Why not?
And so the recommended locations in the middle are, you'll see the mark here is about
E.
12, 18 inches apart, something like that, looks like 12 inches or so. Check if you, that just lets you see that you're getting readings. That's it.
Walk through that.
Well, that's the standard.
Sets it off.
This is a special test, okay? Now walk through it.
So I'm gonna hold it right around.
Wherever you wanna hold it.
Here.
Well, you should
Mark.
hold it anyway.
Why,
Ready?
no, why didn't it go off?
Straight through.
Gotcha.
Actually,
So left top.
it's because
I
the
have
source-
I have
Low,
theories.
high.
source was through.
So what we would do is not say you are only contaminated on the left top. What we know is something.
Something
That's
in
just
that
something to keep in
area.
mind.
Yeah.
And we
It's
say you
looking
go this
for
way, we're gonna.
Would you
now
like
we're
to
gonna-
go
something on you.
what?
If it's held out like that, it's obvious.
For the type we have, the white ones, it's got a little eye that sees you come in about where he is,
Yeah.
and then it will
Right
start
hand or
So
right
it's
pocket?
showing
the entire time
right,
we
lower,
go through for
yeah?
seconds.
Yeah.
So that's, so this is interesting because if
It's
it
right
went
there.
So,
bottom,
okay, so
you check
bring
for,
back.
let's,
So,
when I just do this, if it's in the pocket,
Just front on you.
and I walk through. So it's left bottom, but if you check my hand, you're gonna see that there's nothing there, and you may check my feet and go this way here. So what this does is we say, well, at least we can just quick check this. Maybe there's something. So it does, we're not gonna base everything on this necessarily, we won't, but this is just like, this is a, you're dirty symbol.
Right.
See, give it time to see the
Try it in your
thing.
shoe now.
So
Try it in
what
your
is
shoe.
this one on the very bottom?
here.
I thought we didn't have.
We get a new
anything
person.
that
We
says
don't.
top or
These don't.
bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
These don't.
But they could.
Put it in my shoe.
Some of us
Your
still
shoe.
have the
Okay.
old models.
My shoe.
Yeah, 50 ones.
52 or 51s.
50
That
ones.
has something in the bottom.
Yes, we had the foot, we have some old ones, or Illinois did, and when they were
Okay.
made back in the 90s.
Now, the last
they
thing, I'd
had,
like you to try,
And it's a
you
little
wanna
bit
try and
more
hold it as high as you
slanted,
can,
and
just to go
you can
underneath
tell
this
that-
bar.
And you've got like
Let's
the
see what
the
happens
grates
because there's
and
no
everything,
detector in
kinda
there.
like this right
So let's see
here
what happens.
on the side.
Gotta go through this
On
one.
the side.
So do you
Where's the
think
green?
you
What I
have
need.
anything
See, you enter on the
with
green
these
side.
with taper?
So hold
The
that
way
up
we
as
would
high
set
as
ours
you can,
up is,
straight
yeah,
above
we
your
have
head.
we have a tacky mat
Not fit, okay?
that would have 10 feet of paper. So you
Okay.
step on the tacky mat, that's even on, you think you need to
Okay,
run.
so that one went off. But some people we've had, they go, if they're walking through normal
So you
speed,
put
it
the
doesn't go off.
tacky
So
for-
recognize the
10 feet
limitations
out
of your
for
flow
paper.
monitors.
In the paper.
The longer you spend in there, if you're using a
Yeah,
time
we
count
use,
versus a walkthrough, the
butcher
greater the
paper,
chance
of course, you know, you
that
have
it's
to be
detected.
concerned too.
But
about
also,
making
on her, because she's wearing boots, she had it sitting mid-calf with
Because
a
all the
detector.
time
If
this
you're
paper is
Say if you
getting
have it
worn
on the
out.
bottom of your
People
shoe,
walk over.
what's the odds
Yeah,
of
one of the
getting
things
it
that's
detector system, because there isn't any down there.
Do this, be careful.
So, here, let's try an
It's
experiment.
just that reminder.
You guys have to walk.
Well, she's experimenting.
Well, now.
It didn't go off. There's no detectors down there.
And it's
And I
interesting
think I've
because
seen
even
too,
though
like,
the contamination
I
is
think
still
it-
present,
like, one of my
contamination is on the
counties,
bottom
they
of
do
your
acid
foot and only there.
before you Go in.
Yeah.
You know, people think that when they buy a portal monitor, they've answered all their problems.
Acid.
No, you have to recognize the limitations. People in wheelchairs,
Difficult to get through.
Right.
not necessarily gonna do the detection there. Bottom of your feet, we've done in our MRC training.